Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to see traffic source here in Mixpanel. Okay. So first up, just go ahead and open up a board. For example, this one right here. Okay. And what we'll do is just go ahead and add a content. Now in here, just go ahead and select Insights. Okay. We have Insights Report. Click on it. Now under Metrics, just click on it and add an event. Okay. Just select the event for which you wish to see the traffic source. For example, session end, session start, all events, or your top events. Okay. For example, all events right here. If you have data from this specific board, well, you'll be able to see the metrics. Okay. You could also go to breakdown right here. Just click on it. And within this option, you can select by which category you wish to break down your data, including UTM sources, campaigns, countries, right here, and so on and so forth. Each category right here has its own customizable breakdown with both a visual and textual representation as well. Okay, just like here, your marketing channel. Just click on it and you'll be able to see your insights from here. Okay, or traffic source. And that's how you see your traffic source here in Mixpanel. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.